G'day, Kate Nolly from Knowles Electrical. This is just an off-grid system we've just commissioned today. I've been working on this one for the last 3 days with the solar and the rest of the wiring of the home. So what we have is a AC switchboard that delivers power into the home, 240 volts. We have an inverter that produces the power, being off-grid. It's got to produce 240 volts from a 48 volt lithium ion battery, 10 kilowatt hours, and 2 solar chargers that convert 200 odd volts on the house roof into 48 volts to charge the batteries and look after all them, and all the rest of your switching gear to make comply. There'll be a cage going around in here to keep away from the DC hazardous voltages, but this is probably, basically as neat as it gets. It's a compact small unit for a small transportable home that runs a bicycle and water pumps and then normal general usage home does do. So that's it.